Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. And thank you for watching again. Ngayon ay isang tutorial na naman ang aking ipapakita sa inyo kung papaano gumawa ng beauty products packaging box. Kasi mayroon isang viewer tayo na nag-request kung papaano gawin ang ganitong klaseng box. Pero bago ako mag-start, sa mga baguhan lang, click subscribe and click the notification bell button, set to all para updated kayo lagi sa mga bago kong uploads. Ang una kong gagawin ay yung stand, yung lalagyan ng mga beauty products sa loob ng box. And ito ang gagamitin kong material. This is a clay-coated board. First is to measure the height of the product. Kung alin yung pinakamataas, yun ang susukatin natin. Then, ang unang measurement ay yung para doon sa height na kinuha natin. It was 1 inch, then maglagay tayo ng another 1 inch para merong allowance sa gilid. Then, sunod ay ilagay mo lang dyan yung mga products na ilalagay mo sa loob ng box para makuha natin kung ano yung width and length of the box na gagawin natin. Then dito naman maglagay tayo ng 1 inch and also here 1 inch din. At ngayon iti-trace na natin itong product na inilagay natin. Just make sure that you are tracing it properly according to the shape of the product. Okay, it's done. And next is I have to remove this part. I don't need this. Okay, now I'm going to cut this out from the top of the drawing until to the bottom. I'm using the cutter, sharp one, and then cutting mat. Okay, now I'm going to use this small scissor. Matulis at sharp din yung dulo ng scissor na ito. Just make sure that you are not going to cut outside the line. Kaya dapat matulis yung gamit mong scissor and maliit lang siya para hindi siya lumagpas. Otherwise, maiiba yung shape niya. Okay, now I am scoring on the line. Make sure that it's on the line. Because if you're not going to score it properly, if it's outside the line, then the shape will be different or it will be deformed. And now fold it one by one. Yun ang reason guys kung bakit ikinat natin siya ng maliliit para masundan natin yung tamang shape ng product na ilalagay natin dyan. So ngayon ikakat ko ito kasi dapat 1 inch lang ang height nito kasi yung height ng stand natin is 1 inch lang din. So dapat pantay siya. Okay, so ito, gawa na natin yung isa. Try natin ilagay yung product. Yun. Exactly, di ba? And next, yung isa naman dito. Okay, dito guys, the same lang din ang gagawin. Kung ano yung ginawa ko doon sa lalagyan ng brush, yun din ang gagawin natin dito. Ikakat natin siya ng maliliit lang din para ma-shape natin mamaya. Next is I have to remove all these 4 corners. Then, score lang yung lines para ma-fold natin. Para mapatayo natin kasi ito yung stand doon sa loob ng box. Okay, it's done. And next, I'm going to measure the width and then the length of this stand so that I can make the base of the box. Okay, now I'm going to make the box, and this will be for the base because there will be a cover also. And this kind of box is a double wall box. And now the first thing to do in this base is to take the measurement, and this measurement should be according to the stand that we have done earlier. And this is the measurement of that. For this one, the measurement is the same to the measurement here. Next is the measurement for the length of the box. The measurement on these sides is just the same to the measurement on the width I have done earlier. The only difference is the length because the length of the stand is 10.5 inches. And then I'll just take out the unnecessary portion on this board. And now I'm going to shape this out. I'll have to remove some of the portions on the 4 sides of this board. Just look out which one I am removing, which one I am cutting. Okay, so this is it. It's done. And next will be scoring. I'm going to score on the line, but not all these lines. Not all the lines that you are seeing there should be scored. So you have to watch out carefully which one I am scoring. This line, guys, should not be scored. And on this side, we should start scoring here. Now I'm going to assemble this. See, it's easy if it is properly scored. It's easy to fold it and it's easy to assemble if you scored it properly. This one, I want to cut it into half because it's too long. I am using here a double-sided tape to lock the sides of the box because sometimes it's opening there. Once you assemble the box, sometimes it's opening. So I'll have to use this tape. Okay, so this is it. And I'm going to put a piece of board here to make it all white inside. Okay, now it's done, guys. And now I'm going to put all the items here. Okay, this is it, guys. See, it's nice. But we still have to do the cover. I'm going to show it next. So I hope you are still there. Please watch until the end. Next is we are going to make the cover of this box. So that is the last one, the last piece that we are going to make, and we have to measure this before we make the cover so that it is exactly fit to this box. And the cover should look like this. How to do this, guys, is just the same to the base of the box that I have done earlier. And now I'm going to fold it, so it's exactly the same to that one. Okay, now it's done, but I want to put a window. Guys, this window can be done before you assemble this cover so that it's easy for you, because doing like this is a bit difficult. And now I'm going to put a double-sided tape because I'm going to put also a plastic cover here. The plastic I am going to use, guys, is the same to the plastic cover we use for the books. You can also use an acetate, but it's a bit expensive, so I prefer to use this plastic cover for the books only. And now this is our final output. This is my beauty products packaging box. You can put any decoration, guys, to make it more colorful and more beautiful. It's up to you.